Over the next few minutes, I'm going to explain how Droplet helps CISOs, end user computing managers, and service delivery managers address the age old problem of applications going end of life or operating systems going end of life. So, without any further ado, let's look at exactly how Droplet addresses this age old challenge in the IT world. So, for the last 20, 30 years, there's been many versions of operating systems, both on client side and server side, that have went end of life. The most recent one being added to this list is Server 2012, which goes end of life on October the 10th, 2023. Unfortunately, for many organisations for the last 20, 30 years, the backbone of their organisation has been based on applications that were written for Internet Explorer and Java. These are two particular plugins that are very common in the world of legacy and bespoke. And the reason being is they're no longer supported on Windows 11 and Server 2016. So if you have any of these scenarios, your chances are you are vulnerable to attacks. You're still using them because you don't have an alternative, and the extended support is too expensive. So you're taking a gamble of continuing to run them. However, if you were to adopt a droplet model, the good news is every one of these scenarios is compatible with a droplet container and can be installed directly inside the Linux droplet container, which is both for a client version and a server version. And once installed inside the container, to help protect those applications, Droplet has adopted a never trust model, which basically means by default all the outbound traffic in client and server is blocked, preventing any potential man in the middle attacks. So the container itself has its own inbuilt firewall, which is fully configurable, and again, with your own technical team, you can decide exactly how you want those ports to be managed, but by default, they are all blocked and outbound traffic. As a result, anything put inside Droplet is fully protected and invisible to potential attacks, which means you would by default pass your Cyber Essentials and NIST accreditation, because anything inside the container cannot be seen, cannot be protected, and will continue to run as normal as it has done for the last 10, 15 years. As far as an end user experience is concerned, they see a shortcut, they double click on it, and it opens the same way it's always opened. All the applications inside Droplet, once installed, are also portable. So because this is a container and it's portable and it's based on Linux, you can now migrate this particular container to the operating system of your choice, a modern operating system, one that is supported. So you're moving those problems away, for example, away from 2012, and you're moving across to a fully supported Linux server or Azure or AWS. And same applies to Windows 10, Windows 7, even Windows XP. If you still have those applications, the same model applies. Fully protected, ultra secure, and will pass Cyber Essentials. That's a quick overview of the way Droplet addresses legacy and what legacy is to a Droplet container. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if any of those scenarios apply to you in your particular environment and you'd like to find out more about Droplet computing, please reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions, arrange a demo, and even give you the product to play about with yourself and testing. Also, if you liked the video, could you please hit the like button and share with your team, in particular your desktop team and your IT security team, who hopefully will find this particular product beneficial to address your current day challenges. Thanks very much for watching.